Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the rear fog light on a Ford Fiesta MK7. Begin by parking on a level surface, applying the handbrake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Gather a replacement bulb or assembly, a screwdriver, and gloves. Consult your owner manual for exact bulb type and access points, and work with the ignition off. Keep removed fasteners safe and organize parts for reassembly to avoid confusion later on. Start by opening the boot and locating the access panel or inner wheel arch liner that covers the fog light. Remove any fasteners and peel back the liner to expose the light assembly and wiring. Unclip the electrical connector by pressing the release and gently withdraw the plug. Unscrew the mounting bolts and ease the assembly out while supporting it to avoid dropping or scratching the bumper during removal. Compare the replacement bulb or assembly to the removed unit to ensure it matches exactly in size and connector type. Install the bulb by aligning and securing it into the socket, taking care not to touch glass bulbs with bare fingers. Reseat the assembly into the bumper, replace all screws or clips, and reconnect the electrical plug. Reconnect the battery and test the rear fog light to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.